Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is an LED desk lamp. If you can see, it's from this brand right here, and they provide you guys a bunch of specs that's on here. So they mentioned how it has a universal wireless charger, so you can definitely use that to actually charge like your phone or any other device that can do wireless charging. They mentioned how this part right here is adjustable, so if you guys want to bend it a certain way, you definitely can. And they also mentioned how it has an eye comfort design on here. So it actually has 3 different temperature mode on here. So there's a warm option, a white option, and a yellow option. And supposedly for this part right here, they do have an app control. So you definitely use like your voice, or if you guys want to use the app to control it, or if you guys want to do it manually on here, you can definitely do all of that on here, which is pretty cool. And if you turn in the back part right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well. So they mentioned how there's 6 different brightness mode on here, so you can definitely increase or lower the brightness on the actual product. They mentioned how it actually has a touch panel, and on the touch panel, you guys can adjust the different light mode, you guys can adjust like the brightness, and it does have a timer option available as well. So basically for the timer option, if you guys turn it on, it actually automatically turns off the light on the preset time. So if you guys set it at 45 minutes, it will turn off after 45 minutes. But definitely like I mentioned, if you guys want to use like the voice control option or the app control, you guys can just turn it on or turn it off anytime and anywhere, as long as you guys have access for the internet. And as long as this product is actually connected as well, then you should be fine. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it actually looks like inside. So you can definitely see there's a lot of stuff inside right here, but let's take everything out. So first you can see inside right here, they provide you guys a piece of paper to show you guys that it is adjustable in terms of the arm option. Next up right here, they also have another piece of paper to show you guys that you guys can definitely connect it on the app using the IoT, which is Internet of Things, which is pretty cool. And then right here, you can see there's a box inside with everything inside right here. So let's open this up as well. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you guys can definitely see there's some more stuff inside right here. So let's take out each one of these to see what's included inside in each one of these bags right here first. Alright, so inside right here, you can see they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And next up right here, you can see they provide you guys the cable you guys want to plug in to activate the product. And then last but not least, we have the actual product right here. If you can see, it's all nicely wrapped up. So let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so you can see that once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like here. So like I mentioned, for this part right here, for the arm option, it is adjustable. So if you guys want to bring it all the way down, or if you guys want to bring it all the way up like this way, you definitely can, if you guys can see. But for the arm option right here, you guys can't actually move it left and right. You guys only move it up and down right here. And you guys also have this option on top as well, to go up like this. So that's the furthest it can go right there. If you guys want to bring it back down, that's how far it can go there. So when you guys are done using it, or if you guys want to pack it away, you guys can go like this and just store it away back into the box if you guys want to. But when we open it up, you can definitely see the LED panel right here. So this is where the light is. And then this is basically what the bottom part looks like right here. So this is where you can do the wireless charging. And then here are all the different buttons on here, if you guys can see. So there's a plus and minus to increase or lower the brightness on here. There's a power button. And then there's 3 different modes on here. So there's a reading mode, a coffee mode, and a writing mode. So I'm assuming that's the warm option, the white option, or the yellow option. And you see in the bottom part right here, they do have an indicator light to show you guys when the product is on or when it's working. When we turn it to the other side right here, you guys can see there's some more stuff right here. So there's basically a Wi-Fi button right here, and you guys want to use that to actually connect it onto your Bluetooth device if you guys want to use the app option. And then right here in the middle, you guys want to plug in the cable that they provide for you guys to activate it. And right here in the middle is where you can plug in the cable to actually activate it. And then right here, you can see on this side right here, they do have a 2A USB charging output. So definitely plug in a cable to actually charge another device at the same time while you guys are doing wireless charging on here, which is pretty cool. And then you see in the bottom part right here, they do have the non-slip material on the bottom. So once you guys put it onto a flat surface, it won't keep moving around. So that is basically everything that's on the part right here. Now let me actually put it down on the table and plug it in to show you guys how it works, and also show you guys what it actually looks like first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we're going to scan the code right here first and download the app. So it asks you guys to sign up for an account, so let's do that first. Alright, so we just finished signing up for an account. If you can see, this is basically what the app looks like. So first thing we want to do is add the device onto here first. And obviously in order for us to do that, we do need to connect the actual product first. So let me see, we do have the cable plugged in. And then front part right here, you can see the blinking light right here. So that means ready to pair. So let's add our device first. So you can see how I actually found the device on here like instantly. Alright, so we're connecting to the device right now, if you can see. So it might take a few minutes for it to connect right here, if you can see. Alright, so it's done. So now we have the option to control the light on here. So if I click it one time, let me show you what happens. Alright. So you see it definitely does work if you guys want to use the app option on here. And then also on the app right here, if you guys want to adjust like the brightness level or the different color temperature on here, you definitely can as well. Let me actually test it out to show you guys what I mean. So let's decrease the brightness on here. Alright, so that's the lowest. If we turn it back up, that is the highest right there. And if you guys want to adjust the temperature on here, you definitely can as well. So that is more like a warm color. Here is white. And then here is super white. So you can definitely adjust it on the bottom part right here, or you can do it on here in the app as well. And if you guys click in the middle option right here, there's all these different preset mode on here. So this is the night option. Here is the reading option. Here is the working option. Here is leisure. And then right here, if you guys want to add your own scene, you can definitely do that as well. And then right here, you can see we do have a timer option. So you can definitely set your own timer on here for however long you guys need. And then if you guys want to control it on here, you definitely can as well. So I will change it to reading option. You guys can see how I actually changed the reading option. Here is the middle option. And then here is the other option right here. If you guys want to increase or lower the brightness on here, just press on the plus and minus. Alright, so that is the lowest. And that is the highest. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to adjust the arm option, you definitely can as well. So let's say if you guys want to bring it all the way down this way, you can definitely do that on here. It definitely has a pretty good coverage on here in terms of how far you guys can go. You guys can bring it forward and backwards very easily as well, if you can see. But now let's test out the charging option on here. Alright, so if you guys want to do the wireless charging option on here, just go like this. If you can see, it definitely does work for the wireless charging option on here. And then if you guys want to use the USB option in the back, you definitely can as well. Like I mentioned earlier, the charging speed in the back, if you guys use the USB option, is 2A. So definitely it is fast, but it's not like the fastest where it's like 3A or 2.4A. Alright, so I'm plugging this cable in the back right here, and I'll plug it into my device right here. If you can see, it is charging the device right here. And if you guys want to charge the phone at the same time, it definitely does work. So you can definitely use both the USB option and the wireless charging at the same time if you guys want to. So you can definitely see everything on here definitely does work, and it works quite well. Definitely really cool how it actually has like the app control option on here if you guys want to connect it and use it basically anywhere or control it anywhere. As long as the product is plugged in and as long as you guys have internet connected, then you should be fine. Alright, welcome back guys. So now just a quick test on the product. Definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. Super easy to actually set up the product. If you can see, all you need to do is plug in the cable onto the wall outlet and then plug the other side into this product. And you can definitely use everything on here in terms of the warm option, the white option, the yellow option, and a different brightness level on here as well. And then obviously you can definitely use like the wireless charging option, the USB option, and also the app option, which is pretty convenient when you guys are traveling if you guys forget to turn it off or something. And it's definitely really cool how it actually has an adjustable arm option. So that way you guys can actually angle like the direction of where you guys want the light to shine at, which is pretty cool as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for an LED desk lamp that has everything on here. In terms of different temperature on here, the option to actually adjust the brightness level on here. If you guys want all of that and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously if those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.